Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox Sega Genesis Mini. Okay, so this is 30 years anniversary. It comes with 42 games. All games are here. This is how the box looks. Serial number over here. So this console is modified. It has about 8,000 games. So stay with me, I'll show you how everything works. So now I'm going to unbox it. Okay. Let's see what we have here. We have HDMI cable. We have two wired controllers. And we have power adapter. Over here we have the console. And we have a charging cord. Controller is pretty big, same width as the console. Second controller. Okay, so here we have the console, two controllers, both are wired. If you want wireless, you have to buy them separately. So USB, you connect through USB. Okay, HDMI cord goes to your TV or monitor, goes on the back over here. Then we got charging cable, USB. This comes with the console. This goes over here. This micro USB goes in here. Okay. This is how we turn it on. You see red light over here. Please like, subscribe, and buy. Okay, buy. I have different modded consoles. Buy modded consoles from me, okay? Okay, so here how it looks. Only 42 games. So now I'm gonna show you how good it is when it is modified. So we have the console was modified. Here we have flash drive with all the added games. So we do like this. So as I said, this console was modified, so it works together with a flash drive that has all the games. Okay, and we can see the menu changed completely. First you choose the console, so it has Atari 2600, Atari 7800, another Atari, this one, bunch of different consoles, Game Boy, Game Boy Advanced, Game Boy Color, NES, Nintendo Pokemon Mini, Super Nintendo, then we have Nintendo Virtual Boy, Sega 32X, okay, then we have Game Gear, the Sega Master System, Genesis, Sega SG-1000, Neo Geo, and another Neo Geo. These are all the consoles we have here. Let me show you real quick the Sega 32X games, there were not that many. So press start, and all games are here. And that's it. So first, I'll try a few Sega Genesis games. So we go to Sega Genesis games, then all the games are separated into folder alphabetically. So games starting with A, with B, with D, with C. So for example, if we want to try something, let's do, okay, then we have, let's try some game. Adventures of Batman and Robin. Okay, let's try this one. If you want to save game, you press reset button over here, and then you click save. See? Then, for example, if you want to save again, you can save again, or if you want to load this game, so you press load. See, and again, these two guys hitting me over here. So this is how it works for added games. Let's show you. Let me show it to you again. So we have two guys here. Now we have 0. Press save. Then we have save. Press C to save. Then, if you want to load the previous game, see again and again they come from two sides. So this is how it works. Here we have Battletoads and Double Dragon. This is a Genesis version. It's different from NES version. I haven't played it before, but I kind of like it more. Okay, so if you want to save game, you press reset over here, then you press save state, you press C, okay, so, and if you want to load the previous save, you press reset again, load state, and then again you fight in these two guys. Okay, so if you want to restart the game, you press reset button, and then there is a button restart, C. Press on C, and it restarts the game from the beginning. So in order to quit the game and play something else, you need to press restart button, then you choose close content, then you click over here, then you choose quit retro arc, okay, and you press see. And then you get back to the menu where you stopped, so you get back here. We're back over here. Now let's try an NES game. So this NES start, so let's try some Mario game. So they're all Super Mario, I believe. So press here. I have a lot of games, so they're separated into into 2 folders. So Super Mario is gonna be here. Let's try. Super Mario Bros. It's about quite a lot of Mario games here. So let's try Super Mario Brothers 2. Press start. So I'm gonna be a princess. Oh, so I can throw this thing. Then I can go here. Oh, I didn't jump. So you keep it this way if you want to play alone, but if you want to play with someone, you'll have to buy some USB hub. Okay, buy something brand one. Don't buy a generic Chinese. Okay, so I have this one over here. We plug it into second controller port, the second one, and over here we plug in the flash drive. Okay, and second controller as well. Okay, turn it on. Okay, so we turn it on. So let's try to play a 2-player game. So let's do Mario Kart. Choose 2-player. Choose and start. Okay, now we're gonna play I believe B is guess. Okay, so we going the wrong way. Okay, so anyway, I'm not good at this game. So, this way both controllers work. Now let's try some Super Nintendo game. Press start. Then we're gonna play, what was the most popular game? Probably Mario Kart, right? So press start over here. Mario Paint, Mario Kart R. Is that the one? Start. Mario Kart. Get some coins. If you want to change a game you're playing, so you go back over here, you go down, then this one goes back to where you were, and this goes home. So you press start, and then you get back to choosing the console. If you would choose the option back, then you would go one folder up. Okay. So this Sega Genesis Mini has about 8,000 games from multiple consoles, pretty much all Super Nintendo games, all Nintendo games, all these consoles, many games. You can save every game. If you want to buy one, there will be a link below to buy or to contact me, so I'll help you to get one.